Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Podia AI for automated webinar descriptions and titles, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Podia account. Navigate to the dashboard where you will see your courses and products listed. Identify the automated webinar for which you want to update the description and title. Click on the selected webinar to open its details page. Locate the settings section within the webinar details. In this section, you will find the options for the title and description. To update the title, click on the text box where the current title is displayed. Delete the existing title and enter your new title for the webinar. Now, scroll down to the description box. Clear the previous description and type in your updated version. Be sure to make the description engaging and informative for your audience. Once you've entered the new title and description, review them for any errors. After confirming that everything looks good, find the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click on the Save button to apply your changes. Your automated webinar now has its new title and description updated successfully. To ensure the changes are visible, navigate back to your dashboard. You can preview the webinar to see how the new title and description appear. If you're satisfied, you have completed the update process. Remember to revisit this process periodically to keep your content fresh and relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.